Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to reprint a customer receipt that has a tip on it. Because there's a bunch of different ways to reprint, but specifically this one is just about reprinting the ticket or the receipt with the tip on it. So you have to go down here to the bottom right or bottom left where it says search and click on the ticket, and down here above total due, you'll see that the tender, which I just closed it to a custom tender, and then I added a tip. So there's a print up here, but that's for guest checks. So that's not what we need. And then there's a reprint here, but this reprint's only going to do a customer receipt, which does not have the tip included on it. So this is not the right one here. And then we have bar orders, kitchen orders, basically order devices here. And then red kitchen printers. So none of those are what we need, even though this says reprint. So what you have to do is you have to go find the tender and tip and then tap on that. And then right down here next to tip is print. So if you hit this print and then choose the printer you want to print it to, which I'm not going to do, but I'm just going to preview it. So if I preview it here, it'll show you what it is, and it'll show you that the tip amount is included with it. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.